And you know, we're not being respected.
I hear you.
At all. And it's just, you know, if this could happen to a guy with my education and my sister with her education, if this could happen to us in this legal system, then who is safe? Nobody's safe.
They just threw us under the bus. And that's disrespectful. Roderick Bremby, I'm telling you right now, we're going to have a certain kind of moment, and you know you deserve it, brother. We're here at KingCast.net, the federal courthouse here in Hartford, Connecticut. At the outset, I want to have a moment of silence for the tragedy in Newtown, where dozens of people were killed. I think maybe as many as 18 to 20 children were killed today by a gunman.
May it please the court, and I'm quite certain that the court is following because I have a tracker. May it please the court that we are here today because precisely 1 year ago today, on the 15th of December 2011, I, along with the help of my sister, completed the rather arduous task of filing for Title XIX relief for my mother in Connecticut. This process has been delayed and fraught with frustration, as it has been for thousands of other people, as the lawsuit that was filed on behalf of the Shafer family indicates. I know, or at least I have a feeling, that the attorneys involved with this lawsuit really can't stand my presence here. I really don't care about that. I am curious to find out, though, why Sheldon Taubman did not offer to intervene on our behalf as he did for others. But be that as it may, I have proved that our application was timely filed, and we should have been allowed to be present at the settlement conference yesterday, but the very terse court decision indicated that we were not. And then I got to the courthouse and I was treated like some kind of an infidel. And that's not appropriate. And I was also told that I couldn't video on a public right-of-way. That's not appropriate. So at any rate, at this point, I don't know what's going to happen with the rest of the case, but I can tell you this, as I told court clerk, Judge Thompson's clerk yesterday, Jennifer Sykes. First and foremost, I don't know if I'm going to practice law again or not, but I'm still an American. And I have certain inalienable rights, and I'm going to exercise them right now to get my word out, because the court didn't seem to hear me the first time. So I'm going to say it again. I had a right to be at that hearing yesterday for that settlement conference, and that's it. You know, right now you are rewarding deceit and perjury by Roderick Bremby by not allowing me to be there. Roderick Bremby, from black man to black man, I'm going to tell you something. I didn't even know you were a black man until 5 minutes ago when I Googled your picture. But I'll tell you what, the fact that you were disrespecting a black woman, i.e. my mother, oh my God, bro, you've got to stop it.
What Bremby did was he had a supervisor step in and claimed by affidavit that our application was not timely filed. Yet I submitted to the court proof of the fact that it was timely filed a year ago tomorrow on 15 December 2011. So why wasn't I allowed to enter the court today on the settlement conference? God only knows why. The court decision that was issued did not say why.
I've been forewarned about what? What's the issue?
That you were going to come here with a camera.
Okay.
And it's not allowed on the property.
Okay, is this sidewalk, is this the property?
It's part of the federal government property, yeah. Okay. You can go across the street all you like.
Okay.
All right, but you can't be on the federal property at all.
Okay, so you've been forewarned about my attendance.
Yeah. You made a name for yourself.
Well, you know what? You know what happened? There's a hearing today going on right now.
It's not happening here, though.
Where's that hearing?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, is that right?
It's not here.
Well, okay, the issue is, okay, we submitted a valid application, all right, a year ago, a day from tomorrow. Everything was full in that case. We submitted everything. The emails, I sent the email trail and everything. Mr. Bremby turned around and lied and said that we didn't submit it. Okay? And not only that, the affidavit they submitted was from a woman, from a supervisor, okay, who wasn't even corresponding with my sister or me. I went to a top 50 law school. I used to be an assistant state attorney. My sister's an MBA from Northwestern. We know how to send, receive, and read emails.
Right.
Okay? We did that stuff. And now Bremby comes back and lies. And that was the only reason that he gave that we weren't allowed at the settlement conference.
Right.
Okay? So I'm telling the court, I'm like, look, How does this happen to me? Why are we not allowed to be in this settlement hearing? We have a vested interest in this. It doesn't make any sense. And the court's decision only said no. It didn't say why or anything. So then I show up to try to figure it out, and we're not being respected.
I hear you.
At all. And it's just, if this could happen to a guy with my education, and my sister with her education, if this could happen to us in this legal system, then who is safe? Nobody's safe.
My thoughts and prayers right now are more with the little kids.
I heard about that. Well, I heard about that. Well, right now my thoughts and prayers.
I'm very sorry for your injustice.
Well, I'm very sorry right now. My thoughts and prayers with my mother who's dying of Alzheimer right up the street. And Commissioner Bremby's lying on her. And that is unconscionable. And of course I have my prayers going for the kids. I'm going nonprofit groups. I'm starting nonprofit for children. Then I got nothing to do with Commissioner Bremby telling lies and the court letting it pass. Have a good day.
I hope you make out.
I do too.
Ready? Okay, you ready? I'm gonna go for a ride on the motorcycle now, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
This is the part where we hit the wheelie, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We're here at KingCast.net at the federal courthouse in Hartford, Connecticut. We're here today because I was denied the right to intervene, or at least, if not the right to intervene, I was denied the right to attend a settlement conference in the ongoing case of Shafer versus Bremby on behalf of my mother, who has Alzheimer's. The issue in that case involves the dereliction of duty and the malfeasance of Roderick Bremby's administration and DSS. They have not timely processed Title XIX applications, and this has an adverse impact on Medicaid and food stamps and things of that nature. We're not here for the food stamp issue, but we are here for the Medicaid issue. We have suffered harms because of that. Failure to timely administer the filings. Now, instead of admitting what he did wrong, what Bremby did was he had a supervisor step in and claim by affidavit that our application was not timely filed. Yet I submitted to the court proof of the fact that it was timely filed a year ago tomorrow on 15 December 2011. So why wasn't I allowed to enter the court today on the settlement conference? God only knows why. The court decision that was issued did not say why. So at this point, I don't know what else to say. I moved to strike the affidavit because the affidavit of the supervisor is not based on first-hand knowledge of what we put in the account. I went to a top 50 law school, Case Western Reserve. I was a state attorney. I went to prep school, so did my sister. She graduated with an MBA from Northwestern. We know how to send, receive, and evaluate emails. Okay, we did what we did. And Diane Wood knows it. That's why Diane Wood has never shown her face in his courthouse. Nor will she. Alright? But to this date, we have not received any respect or any justification. And we're expecting more of the same, unfortunately. They just threw us under the bus. And that's disrespectful. Roderick Bremby, I'm telling you right now, we're going to have a certain kind of moment. And you know you deserve it. Brother. What's up, man?
Oh yeah, this is the Pinocchio theory. Don't fake the funk or your nose will grow.
R-U-B-B-E-R-F-A-N-S, rubber bands and volunteers. R-U-B-B-E-R-B-A-N-D, with a rubber band, and we're funk.
The better to funk you, Roger. You ask why my funk is so long. They call me the long song.
Somebody been funkin' with my funk. Funkin' around, funkin' with them till they funk it up.
Don't funk with my funk.
Somebody been sleeping with my funk. Funkin' around, funkin' with them till they funk it up.
Swing! Oh.